My name is Marina Shepelsky and I'm a New York and New Jersey admitted attorney since 2002, in practice over 18 years. I'm admitted in New York and New Jersey state courts and federal courts, as well as in the Supreme Court of the United States. I handle real estate closings and immigration law as part of my practice all of the years that I'm admitted. I was asked, what are the issues facing an undocumented immigrant in purchasing a home and getting home insurance for that purchase? My commentary in this video is based on my personal experience working in real estate and immigration law with many real people, undocumented immigrants. The answer is that it is very hard for an undocumented immigrant to purchase a home in the United States. Here's why. Number one, many have no social security number, nor do they work on the books. Because you only get a social security number if you have a legitimate immigration case pending, and once it closes, the case is denied, your social security number gives a trigger in the employment search system. So, an undocumented immigrant either has no social or a limited social or cannot work on the books, cannot work legally. It is impossible to get a mortgage, and with the current real estate prices, how would an undocumented immigrant even have tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars without being able to get a mortgage? Why is a mortgage impossible to get for an undocumented person? Well, a mortgage bank needs a social and a proof of legal status, and they also need proof of U.S. employment, U.S. residency. For an undocumented immigrant, they don't have any of the above. You need also tax returns to back up a loan application, and usually they don't have those as well. Number three, home insurance. To insure a prospective home, the insurance company needs social and proof of legal status and usually some sort of other status of residency. They don't have that. Number four, people have no state ID who are undocumented. They go to the DMV, the DMV requires an employment authorization, which they don't have. They also require social, which they don't have. So they are not able to get the driver's license, they're not able to get a state ID. Without those, you can't buy a property, and also you have no proof of being here legally. Number five, each state requires the transfer documents, the deed and the transfer documents, to be recorded by the social, the person's name, and gets registered, and people have to pay a tax on the sale and sometimes even on the purchase. Without a social, without a tax ID, it's impossible to register the sale or the purchase. People are very vulnerable in that state. They get their relatives to record the property in their name. They get, defrauded. People steal their property. I have calls like that in my office all the time. Without a tax ID, you need other people to buy the property for you. That's a cesspool of fraud in the United States today. So what is the solution? The solution is, unfortunately, to wait to buy a real estate property until you're legalized in the United States. My name is Marina Shepelsky, and this was my commentary. Thank you.